In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a PDF in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Document tab up top, and then you want to click on over here where it says Security in the middle, okay? You could also click on the Ctrl+L on your keyboard if you wanna, and it's going to pop up this Document Properties window. In here, click on Security, and then you want to go to Change Permissions down here at the bottom right. So to password protect, you want to first select the PDF, for example, this one, and then over here, you can click on the checkbox where it says require password to open the document, and then to actually open the document you want to of course type in the password that should be used. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and type in password over here. Of course your password should be good and make sure you remember it, and then you will have to verify it by typing it again. So I'm going to type in password again. There we go. And then over here, when you do this, you can go ahead and click on save at the bottom, and this will password protect a PDF in Bluebeam. However, if you want to require a password for somebody to be able to print, copy, or edit documents as well, you can go ahead and add the master password over here as well. And then again, just retype it to verify it. And here you have a bunch of different options, which are basically just optional things you can go ahead and enable or disable over here. So that's how to password protect. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.